In this video, you'll learn how to add users in Google Workspace Admin in just a few minutes, so you can give your team access to all the tools they need to work productively. First, open your browser and go to admin.google.com. Sign in with your Google Workspace Administrator account. Make sure you have admin permissions, since adding new users requires the right level of access in your organization. Next, in the Admin console, click on Users from the dashboard. This is where you'll see the list of all current users in your Google Workspace ready to be managed, edited, or expanded with new team members. Now, click the Add New User button at the top of the page. A form will appear asking you to fill in the user's first name, last name, email address, and an initial password for their account. After that, assign the user a license. Google Workspace offers different plans like Business Starter, Standard, and Plus. Choose the license that fits the user's role and the tools they need to access daily. Once the user is created, configure their settings. You can assign them to specific organizational units, set their role, and add custom permissions. Send them their login credentials so they can sign in immediately. And that's it. Your new user is now added to Google Workspace, ready to start using the tools.